Welcome to Jaslyn's toy review of Elsa's Sparkling Ice Castle. This is a Lego set for ages 6 to 12 with 292 pieces. Let's open this up and take a look. Number 1. Two. And 3. Here we have Elsa's Sparkling Ice Castle all built out. Lots of neat pieces in this set. We got, of course, the main characters, Elsa, Queen Elsa, Princess Anna on her sled, and Olaf on the little picnic area with his sandwich. Now let's bring in Jaslyn and let her play with it. On this special Christmas Eve edition of Jaslyn TV's Toy Review, we have a special guest. And look who it is. It's Queen Elsa. Hi, Queen Elsa.
Hi.
Can we take a look at your beautiful gown and hair?
Yeah.
Spin around for us. Wow, so pretty. You like your ice castle here?
Yeah. And look at me. Myself.
I know. You want to play with it and see how you like it?
Yeah.
Ooh, Elsa's gonna go ski. Who's that?
Olaf.
Wow.
Elsa's gonna go ski a lot. But Olaf watches sled a lot, but I wonder what Olaf's gonna do. I wonder what Olaf's gonna do.
Does he want to go inside and eat the ice cream?
Yeah. Oh boy. But where's this little pink flower for? Anyway, Dad.
I don't know. I think it's for decoration.
I think the people can still hold it though. The ice cream inside, and this is the bed. This is the stuff I can help. There's also a little card there too.
Oh, is that a little book for Elsa to read?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I think it's about coronation day, so I think it's called Elsa.
Oh, her coronation day?
Yeah, I think that's coronation day's story about Anna's birthday.
Let me take a little close-up of what the castle looks like inside. Ooh, so there's little ice creams and her bedroom and the upstairs.
Yeah, I know what this is, the little pillow thing.
What's your favorite Frozen song?
Let it go!
Do you want to sing a verse for us?
Yeah, let it go, let it go.
Nice. So Queen Elsa, what's your favorite part about your castle set?
Anna's sleigh. What's this? Wee!
Fun.
Yep. Thank you for watching my toy review of Elsa's Sparkling Castle. Yay! Hi, Anna. Hi, Olaf. Can I watch your set too?
Sure, let me come over there. Ooh, sorry, Olaf. Oh, no, Elsa. I think Olaf's hurt. I think I hurt him. We better take him to the doctor. Let's take him. I'm so sorry, Olaf. I'll take good care of you. Just rest. Oh no, now you fell out of the building. What's wrong with us today? Anna, I know what will help him. My magic powers. Shh. Are you better now, Olaf?